मायनिंग सुरू करपाक सरकाराचे प्रयत्न चालूच आसा. सध्या लीज दिवपाची प्रक्रिया चालू आसा. हे जातकीर कायदेशीर रित्या खणी सुरू जातल्यो अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगमान दिली. तशेंच सीआरझेडाचे उल्लंघन करून जी बांदकामां बांदल्यात ती मातये भरवण करपाचें काम चालू आसा. कांय बांदकामां मोडल्यात, उरिल्ली बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां मोडपाची प्रक्रिया चालू आसा अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हाणें दिल्या.
Mining will start in the next year. It's bound to start as far as mining is concerned, because we are in the process of giving ECs now. They have to obtain ECs. They get ECs, and once they get an EC, the natural corollary is that ECs will be executed. It's a process.
So CRZ violations, how many demolished the constructions?
See, I don't have the exact numbers here, but it's an ongoing process. It's a continuous process. And when, because the process is lengthy, you have to follow the procedure which is prescribed in the Environment Protection Act and the CRZ Protection. So it takes some time. Then there is an appeal to the NIT, the second appeal to the Supreme Court, so on and so forth. So it's a continuous process.